shit. I thought I knew shit of websites, but I guess not. Guess fucking not. Again, does anybody in here did anybody remember? I forget what they called it. There used to be a chat app that you would download, and you would go to certain websites, and they would have you can get hentai or whatever. You would type to a bot, and if you type to the bot a certain code, it'll give you an instant download link for anime or hentai.
Don't remember.
Fucking forgot what it was called, man. Hey, hi, what's up, baby?
What's up, Hein?
Hey, how's it going?
Chilling, building. Shit
Yahoo
talking.
Messenger? No.
Jesus.
What happened with Jesus? What happened?
No, Yahoo Messenger.
Yeah, Yahoo. Oh, fuck that. AOL Messenger was the shit. But the messenger I'm talking about was not Yahoo. It was something else. It was a
It was probably IRC.
IRC. I think. You know what? Fuck, it was IRC.
Yo, IRC was great because that's where I got all the ROMs for different original Xbox games.
That's where I got fucking everything from.
Right?
Then that died out. That died out when torrents came out.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I got ROMs from fucking AOL chat rooms, man.
No, but this thing, what I mainly used it for was for anime and stuff, because there was a certain anime website. It'll take you to a link, and that link, it'll give you the codes with the chat to the bots, and then it'll give you codes to certain animes. I mean, again, I can predate everything and say fuck all of that. LimeWire, you took a risk with that. Talking about fucking without a condom, downloading anything with off of LimeWire. Oh, I've seen that one. I've seen
LimeWire. LimeWire was the reason why I bought my first antivirus program.
LimeWire, you were really taking a fucking risk with that son of a bitch, dude.
God, you have to be so careful, like checking out the file sizes and everything, making sure, like, oh, this is a program. Why is it only like 10 kilobytes? Oh, why is my computer doing this?
Yeah, LimeWire cut. Oh my god, Kazaa.
Huzzah, oh my God, we're finding the deep lore.
That is some oh wow.
You're unlocking a core memory there, man. Yeah, so how's everything been? Sorry I haven't been on in a while, but yeah, it's been busy.
That's cool, brother. I'm good, man. Good. Just dealing with life and building. That's it, brother. Hope you're doing good.
Yeah, doing well.
You still in the same place you moved to?
North Carolina, yeah.
That house is still treating you good? The owner's still treating y'all good?
Oh yeah, no. This new landlady is perfect. Like we're really enjoying the house.
Fucking go. There you fucking go. Yeah, I had the rating dip last night, so.
Yeah, no worries, man. I was gonna raid somebody and I'm like, it's 3 a.m. I'm tired.
Trying to get better on a Share Bear. What is Share Bear? So now you're bringing in Care Bears?
No, Share Bear was another. I think it was another fucking file site.
Yeah, there were like 4 of them or 5 of them.
No, there was.
Except there was but
but
at least like the well-known ones.
LimeWire, Kazaa, and Napster were the most well-known.
Napster was great until he sold out.
They're still around.
Yeah, but it's a shell of its former self. I can easily get my stuff off torrent now, so.
Yeah, and all you need for that's the only time I'll get a VPN if I start torrenting again. But I haven't torrented in years. No, I don't need to. They're fucking everything's APKs now, so I just fucking do that shit.
100% that new Turtle game is gonna take. Wait, why?
Is it that difficult? Or
Right,
there's just a lot of stuff.
No, we finished the game on normal difficulty in like 2.5 hours. Wait, do the levels save, Wrath?
Oh yeah, no, I don't think so. When we started in the arcade, I couldn't get my
arcade is different than story.
Oh yeah, Drac, for real. We played that game on stream, man. It's great. I love that game, the new Ninja Turtles game. We beat it on normal already. We might try it hard. I just don't think I could play with 6 people. It's just too much on. Already with just 2 people, you got mixed up with